Hello friends, today we will discuss potential due to electrical dipole. As you know, earlier class in the earlier chapter, first chapter electrical field, electrical dipole is nothing but the opposite and equal amount of charge having in a system with a specific distance, and the field, electrical field, is towards from the negative charge to positive charge, and net effective charge is zero in the system. So, for a particular any of the point in a dipole, with respect to dipole, what will be the impact of potential, electrical potential generated by this dipole? We'll now derive how it is behaving like this. So suppose it's electrical dipole. Here is electrical dipole, and here is minus q charge, minus q, and this is plus q, and this dipole having the distance of 2a. Now we need to consider one of the point. Suppose here is a point, at any point we want to find out the potential difference. What is the potential due to this dipole? And from the center it is distance is, from the dipole center it is distance, suppose this is r. The distance is r at an angle of theta. Now suppose due to this generation of this distance is, suppose this is r1 and this is r2. So electrical potential due to this charge, suppose this is V1 and this is V2. So overall potential will be V1 plus V2. But it is negative, so it will be negative 1. And because of this charge, as you know, this is 4 pi epsilon naught or K, and this is 1 by R2 minus this is 1 by R1. As you earlier proved, potential is KQ by R. Okay, as you read now. So only thing, it is a trigonometric function where you need to find this one, what is the R1 and R2 in terms of R, which are having an angle of theta. Now if you consider the bigger triangle here, so this is the A and this is also A. And what will be the R2 in terms of R? If you consider a triangle, larger triangle over here like this, larger triangle over here like this, so this will be, this one is R cos theta, alright? This will be R cos theta. Let it erase because it is creating your confusion. Very congested one. Okay. So this part is R cos theta. Oh, sorry, R sin theta. And this part is A is R cos theta. This part is only R cos theta. This is total, sorry, up to this one. This is the R cos theta total, because this is the total triangle, no? So now for this triangle, from this triangle, what you have to say, this is hypotenuse for this smaller triangle, and this much is how much? Then this much is R2 cos theta, this much is R cos theta, because R cos theta is total distance here, and this is minus A. Correct? So for this triangle, this smaller one, this triangle, R2 square is equal to, this will be r cos theta minus a whole square, and this is r sin square theta, r square sin square theta, or you can say initially r sin theta whole square. So from this we will find r square cos square theta minus 2ra cos theta plus a square plus r square sin square theta. This r square sin square theta and r cos square theta, this is r square, then cos square theta plus sin square theta minus 2ra cos theta plus a square, and from this you will see this is r square minus 2ra cos theta plus a square. So this is the r2 square. Okay. Now here, only thing here you need to consider this one. As this dipole is a very small distance r, as a is much more smaller than the r, so we can neglect this one and we can write this is r square minus 2ra cos theta, or you can take common r and this is r minus, or you can take common of r square, r square, then it will be 1 minus 2a by r cos theta, and a we will consider as near about 0 because it is a small distance in terms of r distance, because it is a micro and nano mm distance of any dipole. Similarly, you can prove for this one, for r1 square, you will find r1 square is equal to this distance now from this to this bigger tangent. So this is 2a, this is 2a plus, this distance will be now 2a, total distance 2a plus r cos theta minus a whole square, and this is again the height is r sin square theta, r sin theta whole square. Okay, r sin theta whole square, and from this you will find a plus r cos theta whole square and r sin theta whole square. And if you calculate this one, a square plus r square cos square theta plus 2a r cos theta and r square sin square theta. You take common of this r square sin square theta, then you will find that this is a square, or you can say this one r square first, then because r square sin square theta plus r square sin square theta, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, then 2a r cos theta and a square. This is r1 square, and if you take common, and as this is we have considered already a much less than r, so a tends to, a square tends to 0, and we will take common directly r square, so this is 1 plus 2a over r cos theta. Okay, so what we got is here, r2 square is equal to r square whole common of 1 by 2a r cos theta, and in case of r1 square we got r square 1 plus 2a by r cos theta. So we need to find out the inverse of r, because the potential is related to inverse of distance. We need to this one 1 by r. So here from this, so this is r2. R2 is will be r and root of this one 1 minus 2a over r cos theta minus whole to the power half root of this one. Correct? Root, both sides square root. So 1 by r2 we will say this is 1 by r, and this will be 1 minus 2a over r cos theta whole to the power minus half. because this will be come down 1 by root 2. This is 1 by root of this component. So from binomial theorem, already you have learned in mathematics 11, class 11. So this will be become 1 by r and 1, then this is what will happening actually, as you learn, this is 1 minus, this is minus of half, and this is 2a by r, the first term. This very first term will be as it is, only this term will be there, and neglecting the next term because this is already small. A by r itself is small, so we are neglecting the more terms. So we take already only the first term. So this is here minus minus plus. So this is how much it is coming. So 1 by r2 is coming 1 plus a by r cos theta. Similarly, from this one, this is negative, so it becomes positive. So here also you can prove. Let's check from here also, otherwise you will get confused. So in case of r1 square, now what will happen? This is plus, okay, this is plus, so this is plus, and in case this is minus, so this minus will be remaining here, and from 1 by r1 you will find this is 1 by a by r cos theta. Okay, so now we will replace this all 1 by r1 and 1 by r2 in potential difference B arithmetically, because this is a scalar quantity as we earlier read. Okay, so see from here potential difference V1 plus V2, this is nothing but the 4 by epsilon naught, and 1 by r2. How much is the 1 by r2? So this is 1 plus a by r cos theta, and minus of this much. Minus of this much, what is this? This is 1 minus a by r cos theta. Correct? So this is now 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, and this is 1 plus a by r cos theta, then 1 plus a by r cos theta. So 1 neutral. So now it becomes 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught and 2 a r cos theta. Okay. Now you see, and here one more thing we have missed. The potential difference here, this will be a charge Q. We have missed because this V is equal to V1 plus V2, this is KQ by R1, and this is Q already here. We have missed this term. Sorry, this is the missed term because Q is already here because it is only creating the field. So Q is here, and here is the Q, and here is the Q, because Q is generating the electric field over here and electrical potential, this Q and this Q also. Okay? So here is also Q. Okay? This is Q. As formula we have seen now, V equal to K2 by R. Okay? So now you see, so as you read earlier that electrical dipole, moment of electrical dipole, what is this? This is 2a and Q is called electrical dipole, distance of dipole length, and the charge of Q is electrical dipole. So from this we will say this is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, you can say, and this is, it could be replaced by electrical dipole over R and cos theta. Okay, dipole moment. You see, dipole moment. Now P cos theta again, we can say the P cos theta, it is taking care of P cos theta. The vector value vector value, as you know, the vector P is equal to P cos theta, magnitude of this P, and this is the direction. Or you can say this is P cos theta, or you can say P cos theta, what you can write? P cos theta is nothing but the vector P and this n cap, the direction of dipole moment. Opposite you can write like this now. So we can write this one V potential, which you are directing now. V potential is nothing but 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Or you can write here, that will be better. We are getting congested. So V is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, and this is P, electrical dipole moment P, vector and n cap. Direction is negative 2 pi. So this is the potential, electrostatic potential created over any point over this dipole moment and this. Okay, dipole moment and this one. If you consider obtaining two charges also, instead of replacing here, instead of replacing this, here we are considering this is the electrical dipole. Instead, if you have some equal amount of charges in a system, then we will stop calculating here. Potential will be only here, this much, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Then 2qa over r cos theta. As we are considering dipole, so we are going to the dipole moment. We are calculating in terms of dipole moment also. If we consider, so you got this one now, dipole moment as per the dipole, electric potential over dipole. If theta is 90 degree, if theta is 0, so potential is the highest. Means along this line, axis of the dipole. We can consider 2-3 cases in terms of theta. I will come to this one, why I wrote like this, I will come. So see, so there could be 2-3 cases, 2-3 conditions. Because it is cos theta is involved here, cos theta is involved, and this is the P. In case of dipole, it is P. So we can write here 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, either in this vector form or magnitude form. This is P cos theta by R, and here is R also there earlier, right? P cos theta, because 2a cos theta is the, okay. So P cos theta and R to PQA. So P cos theta, in case of theta here, you see, theta is 0. What does it mean? That is along the axis, line of the axis of the dipole. So theta is 0. So this will be maximum 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught and P by dipole moment R. Okay? And in case of theta is 90 degree, exactly 90 degree, what will happen? So cos theta will be, here cos theta was 1 and here cos theta will be 0. So in case of cos theta is 0, so this potential will become 0. This is the axis, this is perpendicular to the dipole. So this is 0 because that, what does it mean? The center point here, whatever the here center point, this will be the 0 potential surface. This will be 0 potential surface. this is zero potential surface, right? This plane is zero potential because theta is negative. If it is y axis, you can take. So this is y axis. So perpendicular to this axis, x axis, if it is the dipole, then minus q and plus q. So here, this plane, whatever the plane here, either this plane, x plane. So potential is zero. Or z plane, this is y axis now. If it is z plane, means in this A, this plane, it cannot be solid in a 2D. If it is this plane also, this is dipole, so this plane also zero potential. Z plane, this is also zero potential plane due to dipole. Correct? So now we have considered dipole. So we consider the dipole moment. If it is not dipole, it is a system of charge. We can consider a system of charge, two equal charge. What will happen in that case? So dipole is closed. From this similar derivation, we can consider here, it's not a dipole, it is the only distance, it is not linked to the fixed distance, it is not a part of system of dipole, but having the same dimension, so we will stop considering this formula as a T. After this derivation, we will come to this one. This is potential difference between this V equal to V1 plus V2, this will same. Only thing, 2QA will not be replaced as a dipole moment because it is not a dipole. We will not consider dipole, we will consider it as a system of charge. System of charge kept in at a distance 2A between these two. It is the opposite charge. First we consider opposite charge. So in that case what will happen? Similarly also, this is also explained in this way. If it is x-axis, we will say this is, if it is a y-axis, so cos theta will be 0, the theta is 0, so cos theta will be maximum. So in this direction, y-axis should be maximum. And similarly in x and y plane, it will be 0 potential. Same thing. Only thing, we will not consider 2QA as a this one your dipole moment because it is not a dipole moment. In case of, we consider only one system charge which is having this plus q and minus q, same and equal charge, and having certain distance of 2a suppose. Here we can say 2a. If it is not 2a, you can consider r. Then you will replace the charge. Similarly, okay? Or you can take x because r we have already considered is a point, and from middle of the point of this, any point middle of this point is distance is suppose r, and okay, distance is okay, r. And what is cos theta? Cos theta is, this is the angle between this is, you just tilt this one, this will be the theta. You just tilt this one, this is the theta angle between this r and point P. And we need to calculate this as V1 plus V2. Similarly, we will direct like this. Or you can consider this is x distance. In case of x distance, what you will say? This is phi, this is x cube over r cos theta. So in that case, similarly, this, if it is the axis is this one, if you consider this one is the x-axis, here in case of x-axis, so x-axis cos theta will be 0, cos theta will be 0, because this is x-axis, and cos theta will be 1, and the potential will be maximum. Maximum potential means maximum potential, it will be potential in this axis. But in perpendicular axis, whether it is y or z, whether it will be y or z, cos theta is cos 90, and in that case this is 0 value in 0 potential in two perpendicular direction like this same. So we understand. So in case of this one, but in case of two similar charge, what will happen? In case of similar charge, this will point, and the direction will be little bit different because this will not neutral each other. The same formula you can consider this one, but we have done that. I have to go very previously this one. In case of two similar charges, here. So what will happen? This potential difference will be added. Whether this is positive, both twos are positive, or both twos are negative, this will be added. Okay. And initially, V1, what we have proved this one, 1 by R1, we have proved already. This is 1 by R, and this is 1 plus A by R cos theta. And 1 by R2, this is 1 by R, A minus A by R cos theta. Now, the only thing we need to add this one, in case of both are positive. In case of both are positive charge or similar charge you have kept, at a distance of 2a suppose, or x distance. Here you consider 2a, you can say x equal to 2a, whatever, is a calculation part only. So in this case, what will happen? You add this one, to replace this one. So this will come 1 by r and 1 plus a by r cos theta, then 1 plus 1 a by r, 1 minus a by r cos theta. So what will happen is, this is 1 by r1 plus 1 by r2. So this is neutral, and this is nothing but the 2 by r. This will come 2 by r. What do you know? So if you replace this one, this will be q by 4 pi epsilon naught, and this is 2 by r. In case of equipotential, equal amount of charge having kept at a certain distance, and any point of this one. So, and this will come q over, or you can say 2q over r. This is the constant. You can take it as a, like 4 pi epsilon naught itself only. Then you can write 2q by r. So what is happening here actually? It does not depend upon the theta. Angle of any point, it does not depend upon the theta. It is the potential will be 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught and 2q by r. That means it is not dependent upon this theta angle. What does it mean? We'll come to the next session. This is a concept of equipotential concept. That means it is only depending upon the r. The same r distance. If it is the r, what does it mean? If it is the r, no cos theta. So at every point of r from this distance r, so if we make a circle of this one, having this radius of this one, this much, you will get all over the equipotential surface this radius.